Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove paper trays on HP 6830 Officejet Pro printer. The paper cassette tray and also the paper output tray. So what we're going to do is both of these trays that we're going to remove and replace if they're broken or whatever. This is just an example. There's nothing wrong with these trays, but we're going to lift, after unplugging everything from the printer, we're going to lift it like so. First we're going to pull the paper cassette tray. Is going to give access for the output tray, and there's two tabs right here that you can just possibly press with just a nail, but it's just best to have a tool. You just push it in and it comes out easy. Then on this one you're going to lift the tray, and there's tabs on both ends also that you're just going to push to the side with a screwdriver, and out it goes. Thank you for watching.